Appease means to calm someone down or make them feel better. Example: when the baby started crying, the mother gave her a toy to appease her. Depict means to show or describe something in detail. Example: the painting depicts a beautiful sunset over the ocean. Reinforce means to make something stronger or more effective. Example: the teacher used examples to reinforce the lesson about photosynthesis. Deplete means to use up all the resources or energy. Example: after running the marathon, his energy was completely depleted. Infuriate means to make someone extremely angry. Example: the loud noise from the construction site infuriated the neighbors. Visualize means to imagine something in your mind. Example: before his presentation, he took a moment to visualize his success. Compose means to put together something, especially writing or music. Example: he sat at the piano to compose a beautiful piece of music. Phenomenal means something that is extraordinary or amazing. Example: the view from the top of the mountain was phenomenal. Urge means to strongly recommend or encourage them to do something. Example: I urge you to study hard for your exams. Overthrow means to remove someone from power, especially in a government. Example: the rebels tried to overthrow the dictator. Demonstrate means to show how something works or how to do something. Example: the chef will demonstrate how to make a cake step by step. Precious means something that is highly valuable and worth protecting. Example: the necklace she wore was precious because it was a family heirloom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.